Alright, y'all, folks. I got my boy out here. Feel me? We got the 4-wheeler back here. He dead. We got Drew in the car. Look, we finna go goddamn. Go ahead and go get my first bike. You did? Ain't that right, Brody? We about to go get my first dirt bike. I'm not even gonna tell y'all folks what it is, but nigga, it's good. We in there though. You did? We about to go pick that up. I got a pocket full of cash. Pocket full of cash. Ready to go get the bike. I got Riri with me. Yeah, I got Drew. We about to go crazy, bro. We about to go get the bike so we can hit the trails and shit. Feel me? It's lit. Pocket full of money on. Pocket full of money on. About to go have some fun on. Dig? I saved up my whole life for this moment. My whole life savings for this moment, bro. And it's finally about to happen. Let's go. Hey, Riri. Want a treat?
Bro, you too big to be walking in them PJs.
Want a treat, though?
At lunchtime.
Hey, Riri, baby.
If a bitch look at you in PJs right now, she's gonna say you ain't got nothing.
Update. We got the bike right here. RXF Free Ride 150. You dig? My boy Drew done helped me load it up. We done picked it up. We about to go ahead and go build it. And keep y'all updated on that. You know what I mean? Cause it's my first dirt bike. I want to go ahead and vlog it for the YouTube. Cause I don't even see that much videos, especially in America, on bikes like these. But I've been doing my research, and from what I see, these are real good bikes. And it's the Apollo too. Apollo RXF Free Ride 150. And to be honest, I'm not even gonna tell y'all the color if y'all didn't see it already. But yeah. Gotta get this 4-wheeler strapped up. Kind of awkward though. But we had to move it from the back of here to make space for that. And then, you know, this bed kind of short, so we gotta sit it up like that. That's besides the point. We about to get another bike rolling. Take it to the track or something. This is the start of my bike collection. All right, so we back at the spot and we taking the bike off of the cage. You gotta unscrew it or whatever. We about to put this thing together, get this bad boy rolling. It is bigger than I thought though. It's a little bit bigger than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bit slimmer, smaller, a little more power. I guess you gotta go for a little YZ125 for that, right? Or like a little Honda to get that size, that size and power. We almost there, baby.
Here the directions up here.
We're almost on the way, baby. RXF Racing.
Look, y'all know when you see the frame right here, we ain't finna fuck around on the dirt with y'all, so y'all better be ready. This
you
one.
know.
Zip tie. One of drain.
Alright guys, this is what we got so far. We got the front tire put on with the shield, the cover, and then the spacer on the other side. And then my boy Drew putting this
Front brake caliper.
Yeah, front brake caliper on. And it's up to Drew to tell me what's next. I'm not too sure. He's the motorcycle expert. So we gotta tighten the chain and stuff. Yeah.
We gotta put the pegs on.
And we gotta
put the shift tape on. We gotta adjust the shocks.
Yeah.
And then
what he said.
And then put fuel in it, fire it up, and put all the side pieces on.
Ha. All right, now we got the shock up,
Ports.
tightened up, and then what we doing next? Put the pegs on.
And the rest of the plastic.
And the rest of the plastic, I think we done. Bro, the hours is showing, the power is running. This thing ready to crank straight up, bro.
Hey.
No cap. Yeah, we in the game. The boy got a little hungry, so I had to go get me a little salad, you know. We almost done over here though. Originally, the bike was supposed to come built, but it was Memorial Day, they didn't have a chance to build it yet. I was already paying for the bike, so I'm like, hey, I already paid for the bike. Shoot, just if it's not built yet, just let me get it. I'll build it myself. And it's also a good thing for the YouTube. Let y'all get to see the process of this. I don't see much about this bike, especially in America. So, yep, we almost done. The bike is up. We just about to, put the plastic on and crank her up. While I eat my salad, get some energy back. We've been up all morning trying to get the bike. They kept dragging it, saying, hey, yeah, whoopie-doo. But, yeah. Yeah, dirt biking is a sport, so I'm gonna need some energy before I get up on there. I ain't trying to get up on there for a good little, fly try to get my plate. I ain't trying to get up on there for a good little, 30 minutes and then get tired. Like, I'm hungry. I ain't eating nothing. I'm finna eat now before I get on the bike. I have some fun.
Come here.
All right, we filled it up with gas.
What? It came up.
And we trying to figure out why it's not cranking. We done kicked it a couple times, but we about to crank it though. We got that thing running. All we had to do was keep kicking it. Yes, sir. Barely moving that thing, man.
There we go. There we go. Crank it back up. It's alright. Look at it, that press kick. Alright. We got some players on it. Alright. You get it like that? Alright. Shift.
We ain't doing no wheelies on that shit anytime soon, boy. That motherfucker got too much power. We got the bike fully built, ready. Oh wait, we forgot one more thing. We got to screw that on right there, and then it'll be complete. But that's how it look with the body. I don't know if I too much like the body. I want to change it up, and then this is like a paper over the sticker right here, but I'm not gonna take it off yet. I don't really care too much for the bright blue, and the green is already like a lot for me. But besides that, bike run good, you know. I'm ready to race somebody for real, and I'm confident.
Very confident.
You already know.
All right.
They got to see all this shit.
Turn the hood up, man. Turn the click up, dog. Yeah.
Yes, sir. You feel me? RXF, motherfucker. What you got to say to them folks, man?
Let's race. Oh, y'all. Hey, watch this. Watch how I pop it off the ground. Watch this. Sorry,
That nigga down there got that motherfucker.
that's all I got.
Shit, you down there got it, nigga.
It's my first day, bro. I